Name's John Sinamoi. I'm the head lifeguard here. The voice on the radio told me you were in trouble at the hotel. Said you were resistant to whatever this is. I didn't believe it, but then I found you and I saw the bite marks. You got no symptoms, but those aren't love bites, are they? Look, I don't know who you are, or how you know that guy on the radio, but he's our only connection with the outside world. We keep losing the bloody signal. We have a monsoon coming. So here's the thing. We need to move everybody to the main lifeguard station. There's an ambulance there and more equipment and a stronger radio with an antenna. I hate to ask, but we can't do this without you. Will you help me?
I can do that.
Good. First off, we need an access card to get past the security gate. Mine's in my room. With all the commotion, I forgot to take it with. It's in Bungalow 11, by the pools. Take a weapon and watch yourself. You may be immune, but that don't mean you can't die.
This is the end of days. Judgment.
Yeah, everybody was leaving, but not me. Why the hell did I stay here with Sinamoi? I should have listened to Maggie and left with James and the others. They probably found a way off the island by now. Maybe there's still time to find them. If you're out there and you see Maggie and the others, could you let me know where they are?
Yep.
Thanks. I'll be here. 'Cause, I mean, you know, where the hell else am I gonna go?
It's in the Book of Revelations. And the dead arose and climbed from their graves and walked among the living and were judged. Every one of them, according to
No
their
thanks to you.
Let's see what we got here. Now you're dead. Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, God. Oh, God. I'm sorry. My wife. My dad. Oh, fuck, my own fucking brother. Jesus Christ! What else could I do? Let him kill me? Why are you looking at me like that? What the fuck do you want from me? I had no choice! Oh, my God. Oh, my God. I'm sorry.
This is Roger Howard on a special assignment on the island of Van Nuys. I'm investigating illegal logging and clear cutting that's not only damaging the ecosystem here, but costing the people of Van Nuys billions. I've been told that my life might be in danger as those behind this illegal activity will stop at nothing to protect their criminal enterprise. As a precaution, I will be leaving a trail of recordings wherever I go, so that if something were to happen to me, the truth would still be told. I'm leaving now to meet with an informant who I believe could rip the lid off of this investigation.
Looking like a motherfucking postcard.
Don't know how it is you're immune to this.
No
You
thanks
did
to
it?
you.
All right. Thanks to you, we might all just make it.
I didn't see you out there.
We need to move.